Hello, my name is Steven. Thanks for watching my channel, and in today's video we're going to treat the next topic. Let's take a closer look what are the main reasons that the extruder makes this terrible sound and he blocks. So hello, let's talk about the correct nozzle temperature for your printing material. And let's take an example for PLA. They say is between 180 degrees and 230 degrees, what is a very wide range to print on. But when you print on, for example, 180 degrees, your material is getting too thick, and maybe it's too thick to push out a nozzle, so the extruder will struggle with it. So that's why he's blocking. But when you print on 250 degrees, what's above the maximum print temperature of PLA, then your PLA material will burn. And when it burns, it becomes crystallized and pushed down into the nozzle, and the nozzle will also block, and that causes also blocking extruder. So just look what the correct printed temperature is for you. Not too low, not too high. Play with it, raise it with 5 degrees, nothing more, nothing less, and look what happens. So let's talk about another issue that happens. You see this? Oh, very bad winding on the filament spool. So when your extruder wants to feed him with filament and he pulls, it gets stuck, and then the extruder jams. Let's go to my Ender 3 here. I bought it from link down below in the description. But let's talk about the bed leveling. Bed leveling is the most important thing in the world of 3D printing. When your bed is not leveled, your print will first fail. Set your Ender 3 or whatever printer you have on the printing temperatures. It's normal that when your nozzle is heated up and your bed is heated up, that everything expands, and it will make a difference. Nozzle, let's say for example 230 degrees, 229, and bed about 70 degrees. And let's wait till everything is heated up. Adjust the height of your printer bed as low as possible. So when your extruder comes down to the homing position, it will not accidentally collapse with your printer bed. Then home your hot end to the home position. And disable your stepper motors so you can freely move your printer bed and your hot end. Adjust the height so it's a little bit, the paper gets a little bit stuck between the nozzle and the printer bed. Move your printer head to the next corner and repeat the same for that corner. Move your printer bed the other corner. Adjust the height so it's a little bit, the paper gets a little bit stuck between the nozzle and the printer bed. Move your printer head to the next corner and repeat the same or that corner. Move your printer bed. The other corner. Repeat this for all 4 corners. When you have done that, you can run a test print to see if your bed is leveled. I put a link in the description down below, where you can download this test print. So at the end of the test print, when your print looks like this, your bed is well leveled. So guys, this is the end of my video, part 1 of a blocking extruder. There will be a second part. If you want to know what this little thing is and where I use it for, subscribe to my channel and like my video. Thanks and see you.